Hello guys, in this video let us send and view event hub data in Azure Portal. So we will create event hub namespace, we will create event hub in that namespace, we will send data to event hub and then we will view or receive that data. So we are in Azure Portal, let's click on event hubs. Now create event hubs namespace. Now let's select resource group, so we'll say RG event hubs. Now let's give the name to our namespace, so we'll say standard namespace. Let's keep location as it is, and now let's select pricing tier as standard. So guys, what are pricing tiers and how to choose pricing tier based on our requirement, we will see it in our upcoming videos. As of now, let's say review and create, and now create. And you see our event hub namespace has been created. Now let's say go to resource and we are under overview, and you can see this option, that is event hubs. So let's create our first event hub. I will give name, I will say first event hub. Now let's keep partition count, cleanup policy and retention time as default. And now guys, what is this partition count, how to select partition count, we will see it in detail in our upcoming videos. As of now, let's say review and create. And you see our event hub has been created. Now we are again in this namespace, that is standard namespace. We are under overview, and if we go down, we can see the event hub which we have just created. And if I open it, and if I go down, you can see consumer groups, so it shows default. So this consumer group we have not created, so it has been created by default by Azure Event Hub, and in future we will create our own consumer groups. Okay, now again let's go back to our standard namespace, and now let's send event or data to the event hub which we just created. So I will click on this generate data. So guys, you see as of now it's in preview mode, but then chances are there when you are watching this video, a full-blown version of this generate data is available. Now let's click on this, and here I will enter the message or payload. I will say name, it's Harsha. So now we are sending this data to this event hub which we just created, that is first event hub. Data set is custom payload, content type is JSON. Now let's click on send. And you see it says completed sending events. Let's close this, and just below you can see this view events already sent to this event hub, and here we can see the event which we have just sent. So thank you guys.